Hey, this is Tyron here, back with another video. We Auto Detailing, service in Atlanta and Metro Atlanta area. Today we did another workout today. We're gonna do one car today as well, working in the field. And then other than that, we pretty much, that's it for today. Today is a Friday. So we're gonna go ahead and get ready for the weekend. Today is Memorial Day weekend, so we got a couple of things going on. We had a subscription client that booked maybe like 6 months ago. She booked and paid in advance for 6 details up front. So I just gotta basically honor that deal what she paid for. They got about 2 more details, and then I'll be done with that honoring that payment. In the future, I don't know about doing that in the future, like taking payments in advance for a detail, but we'll see how it goes. In addition to that, I think that payments for details in advance are good. It's just if you change your pricing or something like that, or if you give them a huge discount later in the future, you may feel like, dang, was it even worth it? Do I want to do this? And things of that sort. So that's my thought process on it. My question is, do you recommend car detailers have a subscription program, or do you recommend, or would you say that it's okay for car detailers to offer a prepayment in advance for multiple amounts of details? What do you think? And put it in the comment section below. But to just expand a little bit more on it, at the time I was offering like $100 per month subscription for any car, inside and outside. It was working. I had about maybe 3 or 4 people on that actual that subscription. It was going well. However, the pricing was going up, and for my regular details, and I just personally didn't want the hassle of rescheduling, because the problem was I had a lot of recurring appointments on my booking, and a lot of people was canceling, which was causing my schedule to be full with people canceling. And then like those regular clients that's coming in for marketing and stuff, those one-time clients were going to other people, and I wasn't making as much money as I could have been. So what I did was I took off those monthly subscriptions, because I did not want to continue to allow people to keep canceling just because they got a monthly subscription, but they able to just keep blocking out my schedule. So that's why I took it off. Will I ever do it again? Probably not at the moment, because it's a lot to manage. One thing that I did see that a detailer do, and also I've seen a lot of other companies do it, which it seems pretty cool, but it's marketing a membership like pass. So basically you get a discount off of all your details for the whole year. You get a free, you can pretty much design it however you want to. You can give them one free wax a year, maybe one free shampoo a year. But basically they pay $100 once a year for that subscription, and then they get all those benefits, but they still have to pay whenever they book you. So like the discount may be 10% whenever you use our services for the whole year, plus a free wax and a free shampoo once a year. So the value of that is probably worth over $400 to over $1,000. But because you have that discount and you're a part of the membership, you get that, and you just pay an extra $100 a year on top of whatever you pay for your detail. That way, we're still getting paid for the detail that when you book, it's just not the same amount. Plus, we're getting that one lump sum $100 for just you being a part of the membership. So that's something I'm considering. I'm still thinking about it. I'm wondering how I can market it. But once I do set it up, it's definitely something that I want to get going. I feel like there's going to be a problem with people booking it and signing up thinking that it comes with a free wash or something like that. Or they may book it thinking, oh, well, I booked this, so can I use my free wax now? Or something like that, which is fine because they're still going to be paying for a detail. It's just they get a free wax with it. So I'm still trying to find the kinks of it, or trying to wonder, or sort out the kinks if I do offer it again. But it's definitely something I'm interested in doing, and I might go ahead and set up in the future. So y'all let me know what y'all think. If it's something worth considering, something worth doing, y'all make sure I hit the like and subscribe button. This is another video where we out of detailing, man. Life of a business owner. Every day, just trying to figure out ways to grow the business, working in and out the business whenever I can. The business is set up, the business is there, it's making money. But as a detailer, you know that it's a long-term grind and hustle. If you want to do it your whole life, you can, or you can use the money because it is quick money. It's a lot of cash flow. So it's a good business for a lot of cash flow to bring your money. But if you really, plan on retiring one day, you don't want to do the detailing as much. You want to make sure you put yourself in position to have money elsewhere, bringing in income on a monthly basis and things of that sort. So I'm doing a couple things on the side to allow me to be able to not have to depend on the detailing business so much. Like anything, it's kind of like diversifying your risk. Anything that you do, if you have a job, you got to learn how to diversify your risk. You may have a side hustle that you're building on the side. In addition to, like, if you're a business owner, you all in on your business, that's good. But then again, you may want to diversify. So it's a lot of different ways to go about it. For me personally, I've been doing this so long that I found that for me, diversifying is the best thing, because I'm still learning how to expand the business. I don't have the knowledge right now, the skill set to build a business beyond where it's at. The income does grow and fluctuate up and down. I'm working on a few things to figure out that issue, but I can't figure out how to expand beyond that low six figure mark. So I'm working on it. I tried it before. I got an idea of what it is, but when I do it, I want to have the right things in place so that I can benefit from it, man. So with that being said, if y'all interested in getting into detailing, y'all drop any questions y'all have. If you all are just interested in my journey, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.